today's video, it's going to be pretty simple, straightforward. I'm going to give you 5 reasons you need a utility four-wheeler. Reason number 1, snow. Put a plow on that thing. That's what I bought this for. I got tired of shoveling after the last couple snows. I'm getting older, you know, and that's a big driveway. This thing can plow it within like minutes, and it takes me like 30 or 40. Now, you know, it's well worth the price. Now, I did make my own plow setup on this. I need a winch. You can see this ain't the most prettiest ATV. You don't have to go out and buy a brand new one. This is a pre-owned used one with a lot of miles, and they've been tuned to build this one. And it's been pretty good, and it's been pretty cost affordable. I say I got about $1,000 in this ATV the way it sets at the moment. I gave $100 for this, and you know, I gave like $800-900 for this. So it's been pretty solid so far. It does need work. You can see it's off back. It does leak some oil, but all in all, it's been pretty good. That's the parts four-wheeler. That's another one that's took to build this one. That's how come it's affordable. So this is 5 reasons. We got reason number 1, the snow. Reason number 2, you can haul stuff. Put a utility crate in it, go around the yard, put your tools in it and stuff, maybe the farm, and work on stuff. That's a good reason. I do think so. I don't know what you use yours for, but that's what this toolbox back here on it is for. It's not attached right now, but I got it so I can remove my tools. Need to attach it. My hands can't take it. It's cold, everyone. My hands can't take this. Gotta put some gloves on. Here we go. So if you get big man gloves, you know why. It's like 20, 19, 18 degrees out here. Reason number 3, you can put a winch on this or a ball hitch like this and stuff. Come back here with me so I don't fall on the ice. And you can pull your little utility trailers, dump trailers and everything with it. It's very handy. That's a good reason I like it. I had a trailer I bought for a mini excavator, and I was pulling it around with this. I ended up selling the trailer because it couldn't haul the mini excavator. What's the point in keeping the trailer if you can't use it for what it was intended for? But yeah, that's reason number 3. Let me go ahead and move this. Oh God! Oh, heavy. Oh. Oh. Reason number 4, it's utility. You know, it means you can adapt it. You can put some bags and stuff for storage on it. You can take this off, ride it through the hills if you want to just go riding. You know, it's utility. That's the name of it, utility four-wheeler. And the 5th reason, I want you to comment in the section below. Let me know what you use yours for. That'd be the 5th reason. Everybody can jump in it because I'm frozen to death. It's hard to drink, and I got plowless driveway. So thanks for watching.